Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Dodge Charger in Rocket League. This iconic vehicle is a premium battle car, meaning it's not found in regular item drops or blueprints. Instead, you'll usually find it offered during special events or as part of a limited-time bundle. Keep an eye on the in-game announcements and the item shop for its return. It's a fantastic car for any fan. The primary way to get the Dodge Charger is by purchasing it from the Rocket League item shop. It typically comes as part of a themed bundle, which might also include cool decals, wheels, or other cosmetic items to complete the look. These bundles are time-limited, so you'll want to act quickly when it appears. Make sure to check the item shop frequently so you don't miss out. Once you have the Dodge Charger, you'll find it uses the Dominus hitbox, a favorite among many competitive players for its flat and wide profile. It also boasts unique engine audio and a truly sleek, realistic design that stands out on the field. While customization is somewhat limited to specific decals and paint finishes, its inherent style makes it a fantastic addition to your garage. To ensure you get the Dodge Charger, be ready to purchase the bundle directly from the item shop as soon as it becomes available. It's crucial to have enough in-game credits prepared, as these bundles are only offered for a limited time before they disappear. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Happy driving and good luck getting this awesome car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.